Have you ever stopped and asked yourself, what is school actually for? Is it just about memorizing formulas, passing exams, and getting good grades? Or is there something deeper we're missing? Today, I want to share a message that's been echoing in my mind since I heard it. Because once you hear it too, you might never look at school the same way again. A child sits in the back of the class. He's quiet, he struggles with math, and his grades are low. But inside him is a spark, a passion, a gift. Yet no one notices, because school never asks him who he is. It only asks how well he can memorize. This is the painful truth. School often measures intelligence with a ruler that only fits one kind of mind. And if you don't fit in that box, you're labeled a failure. We're taught how to solve for X, but never how to solve real-life problems. We learn the parts of a cell, but not how to heal from heartbreak. We memorize Shakespeare, but we don't know how to manage our emotions. Let me ask you, when was the last time life asked you to find the value of why? Exactly. School teaches content, but life demands character. There's a powerful line that says, school teaches you to memorize the dots. Real education teaches you to connect them. That's the difference. It's not about how much you can store in your brain. It's about whether you can use what you know to think, to feel, to create. Learning is not about repeating facts. It's about asking, why does this matter? How can I use this to better my life or someone else's? Imagine a school where creativity is valued just as much as correct answers, where curiosity is rewarded, not punished, where students learn how to communicate, how to manage money, how to navigate anxiety. A school that doesn't just prepare you to pass a test, but prepares you to live a meaningful life. It's not about tearing down the system. It's about reimagining it. Because we don't need better memorization. We need better education. So the next time someone asks you, what did you learn in school today? Don't just say math or science. Ask yourself, did I learn something that helps me become who I really am? Let me know in the comments. What do you think school should be teaching us? If this made you think, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos that challenge how we see the world.